Hello guys and welcome back to another quick tutorial. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how to add a post grid and customize it, style it using the Divi theme. So without further ado, let's go back to the dashboard and start working on our post grid. Alright, so right now we are inside the dashboard, so make sure that you have the Divi theme installed. So go to Appearance, Themes, and make sure that you have Divi active. Another thing, make sure that you have at least few posts to test in our post grid. I already have 6 published. So let's go to pages and add a new page and add our post grid. So I'm just gonna call this page testing page, for example, use Divi Builder. So I'm gonna select build from scratch and I'm gonna add a normal row. Okay, so for the module, I'm gonna search for blog. So search for blog and let's wait for it. So as you see, it's displaying the list of my published blog posts. So it's the layout is vertical, which I don't really like that. So what you can do, you can go to design and layout and change it to grid. This way you will have a 3-column list of the blog post. As you see, it's showing all of my blog posts. You can go to content and like you can select the post type if you want to change, if you have specific custom post type. If you want to change it to pages, to media, to products, you can do that as well. You can limit the post showing in your post grid. For example, by default it shows 10, but for me, because it's 6, so it's just showing 6. Like you can also select the category. You can, like by default it shows all the categories, but you can select specific ones. Like for example, I just want to select this category. I don't really have a category for that, like posts that have category like that, but I'm gonna keep it like that. So also you can show the content or show the excerpt, but I really recommend to just show the post description because the content is too long. As you see, it's not well shown. So show the excerpt. You can control the length of it. So by default it's 270. The elements also, you can control the visibility of the elements. If you want to hide the featured image, you can do that. Like that. You can show or hide the author. You can add a read more button. I don't really have a lot of blog posts, but you see like the read button here. Okay, you can hide it. Show author. Like for example, you can hide my name, for example, by Karim. I hide it. Okay, date, categories. You get the point. Like you get all of these options given by the Divi module setting. You can do that as well. The background, you can give a background for each post, like post block. For example, I'm gonna give it some gray color. Let me see. Okay, this one, for example. Okay, this one is good. Okay. And now if you want, let's go to the design. If you want to add styling to style the featured image, to style the title, the author, like the excerpt, you can do that as well. So to do that, so just hover on the element that you want to add the style to it, and you're gonna find at the top right or at top left this pencil icon. Just click on it, and then you can customize it however you want. So I'm just gonna start by giving it some border corner. So just give it some radius, 15 pixels across all the borders. You can do like, I just want to give it this border at the top. It's up to you. Okay. Also, you can give it some box shadow here. Like there is a lot of these options you can explore. I'm just gonna give it without the box shadow. I don't really like it for just the image. Let's go now to the title, hover on the title and click on the pencil. And you're gonna find the title font. You can change it to the global font that you already have. You can change the width. Like you can keep it bold, ultra bold, or semi bold. It's up to you, and it's up to your website. You can change the text color. I don't really like this black color. You can change it to like 35. It's good. We can also change the color for the meta field. Let's give it some blue. Let's give it some weight here. Oh, good. And for the post description, we can give it also the same color as the title, 35. Okay, good. And what else can we do? So, look, read more text, pagination. Okay, we don't have pagination because just showing I'm just showing like just 6, and by default it shows 10. So maybe if we switch to 3, we will have a sort of a pagination. Like for this button, older entries, when you click on it, it's gonna take you to, or it's gonna show the other hidden blog posts. So I'm just gonna keep it 6 for now, because I already have 6. And yeah, so we actually don't have any other like you can explore the other options, but I showed you guys the most used customized options in the post grid. I hope that was helpful. You can add custom CSS if you're familiar and comfortable in adding a custom code and custom CSS for the body, for meta, post meta. It's true that Divi doesn't have that flexibility in all of the fields. For example, you don't have the access to reduce the spacing between, which is I don't really like. I hope in the next update of Divi it's gonna give more flexibility in adding, and like I can add different things to my module. And yeah, that's it. So after you finish, just make sure that you publish the page, because my page is just new. You can add a title at the top if you want. I didn't add any title for it. Let's just give it some title. These are discover my latest. Okay, let me write with this latest blog posts. You can design it as well. Remember to hover and then like go to change the font, change the weight. You can change the alignment like that. You can change the size, and that's it. Like I'm just gonna drag and drop it here to have like this title for it, and I'm just gonna publish the page. Okay, so after it's published, let's go to pages. So I'm just gonna see how the page looks. So let's see the latest page, view. Okay, good. As you see, this is my post grid using the Divi theme. So guys, we came to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you guys in the next video.